Good morning, viewers at home. This is Mathematics Dr. OJ. In this video, we shall look at single sort from basic sort. In our last video, we discussed basic sort form. Now, this is a reverse of what we had in our last video. We want to get a single sort. We want to write a sort, as a single sort from its basic sort. Please don't forget to subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell so that each time I produce new video and upload them, you'll be duly notified. Thank you. Now, example, write the following basic form in their single sort form. They are already in the basic form, but we now want to write them in their single sort form. So let's look at how that could be done. Now, the first one is 4 root 3. If we want to express 4 root 3, which is already, in its basic form, as a single sort. When we say single sort form, in that regard, we are trying to say that we don't want anything like an integer outside. So this 4, we want it to be completely eliminated. That's what we are trying to say. Okay? Now, that would what? 4 root 3 is what? 4 multiplied by root 3. By the time you split that. Okay. So now, 4 multiplied by root 3 is still in a what? It's still not in the single sort form. It's still in basic form because it just is splitting. And what we now need to do to remove this 4 completely, so that we're going to have only root sign, is we square this 4. So it becomes what? 4 squared multiplied by root 3. That is, multiply this 4 by itself. So that will give us what? But by the time you do that, take note. As you are doing that, you what? You put root sign. Okay? So that means you are now saying root 16 multiplied by root 3. And that will be what? Root 48. So that is the what? What do you call it? The single sort form of the basic sort. It's called single now. It is single because it doesn't have an integer outside. Okay? Now the second one, 6 root 5. This is in the basic form. We now want to write it as a single sort form. That is, we want to find a way of removing this 6 here. Okay, so that we compress it and retreat, So we go say what? This 6 multiplied by root 5 and 6 times root 5. Okay? Now, putting root on the 6 and square it, multiplied by root 5. Okay? That what? Root 36 times root 5. I hope we are together? Yes. Okay? Now, that will be root 36 times 5. That's what? 180. So, the single sort form of 6 root 5 is root 180. The interesting aspect of this is 4 root 3 is the same thing as root 48. 6 root 5 is the same thing as root 180. Okay? Now the third one, 5 root 7. Just like we did in the first two cases. That's what? 5 times root 7. So which now means what? The square of 5 multiplied by root 7. And that's what? The square root of 25 times 7. So, I think that's 175. Okay? That's root 175. So it's root 175. I hope that is understood. So don't forget to subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. Thanks and God bless you.